What is the work offline mode? To further help inspectors during inspections, Home Inspectors Toolbox has added a feature that allows inspectors to work on their report even without any internet connection. Before leaving your house or turning on the work offline mode, please make sure to open the inspection forms for the app to have access to the latest report data and save it locally on your phone. To start working on your report offline, click on the toggle button below the Working Online label. You can now proceed to fill out your report form without the need of an internet connection. Once you are done and ready to generate your report and are connected to a stable internet connection, click on the toggle button below the Working Offline label. This will display a new set of buttons to either delete or upload all offline report data and photos. Click on the Upload Offline Report Information and Photos button. Once the app has finished uploading all report data, you can now generate and complete your report. Home Inspectors Toolbox, the must-have tool for your home inspections business. Sign up today at homeinspectorstoolbox.com and get your 14-day free trial.